So you might be in a weird situation where for some reason your direct messages on TikTok are just not showing up. So whether they're not showing up right here, or maybe you're not even getting that little inbox button at the top right, you may be seeing this for a few different reasons. Now, the first reason why this may be happening is, for one, you may not even have DMs, actually available. You may not have messages available at all. You sometimes will be able to see your messages right here. So if you make your way over to your inbox button at the very bottom, you'll be able to click on messages and you should be able to see your specific messages either here, or you can go ahead and click on the top right here and see it. Now, another thing you can try doing if for some reason you can't access that, direct message button right there, what you can also try doing is right here when you're on their profile system like this, you want to go ahead and click on their top right corner here, and you should be able to see that little message that send messages. So what you want to do here is you want to click on send messages and you'll come into basically the same panel. So although you may not see it directly from your message panel, you'll be able to come here and you'll be able to message them and you'll be able to see the other things that they've messaged too. Now that may end up working and that may end up showing you some other messages like that. But if that still doesn't end up working, another thing you may want to try doing for the most part is trying to see if your TikTok application is updated for the most part. If your TikTok app is severely outdated, well then that's going to be the issue. So all you're going to want to do here is make your way over to your app store, just like so. And from here, you want to click on the search button that's on the bottom right. You then want to go and click up here, and all you want to do is go and type in TikTok. So type in TikTok as you normally would, and what you're going to want to do here is search up TikTok, and you want to make sure this application is updated. If your application has not been updated in a very long amount of time, well then that's going to be an issue. So update your specific TikTok application, and chances are that's probably all you're going to have to do. Personally, for me, anytime I've had this type of issue, updating the application pretty much fixed it, and that's probably all you're going to have to do here as well. Now, for some reason that still doesn't work, the next thing you may want to do is try restarting your phone. That may end up working for some people out there. You want to go ahead and try deleting TikTok and reinstalling it. And those are pretty much the main things to do. If TikTok's not down and there's no server outage on TikTok, well, those are pretty much the main things to do in my opinion. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.